The general election was more than a month ago, but the Hawaii Supreme Court is saying two of Oahu's races are too close to call. This while an inauguration and the start of the legislature are fast approaching with the new year. Sarah Madison explains.
Oahu voters have seen a couple of tight races in the general election this year. Senate candidate Kirk Favela won by 116 votes for District 19 against Dr. Matt Lopresti. Councilman Trevor Ozawa gaining only 22 more votes than Tommy Waters for Council District 4. Recounts for both races have been ordered. Now the Hawaii Supreme Court is stepping in. On Friday, the 5 justices ordered state and city election officials to provide the following to Lopresti and Waters: information on the margin of error for the electronic vote counting machines, and information on how the intent of the voter is ensured in a close election without a hand count.
In this case, they seem to have ruled that, hey, this matters. If we don't know what the margins of error are, then it impinges upon free and fair elections, because you don't know if you need to do a recount unless you know what the margins of error are.
We were not able to get a hold of Favela or Waters for comment, and a spokeswoman tells us Councilman Ozawa was not available for an interview. The Office of Elections says it cannot comment on pending litigation, but tells us the office will be responding to the Supreme Court order. It confirmed that the elections of Favela and Ozawa are currently uncertified. This comes at a time when Ozawa's inauguration is scheduled for Wednesday.
If we can't certify the election of Councilmember Ozawa, then we will not be able to install him as a city council member or chair of the council. I would stay chair pro tem temporarily until we can resolve the leadership of the council.
Councilwoman Kimberly Pine says they'll be meeting with lawyers on Monday to go over their options. But whatever happens, the City Council will continue its work. Sarah Madison, KHON 2 News.
Now we spoke with political analyst Dr. John Hart of Hawaii Pacific University. He says he too is surprised at the Supreme Court's move, as the bar for a recount is very high.
The fact that the Supreme Court has signaled they're willing to hear the case indicates they're willing to reconsider some point of the law, which means things will change. Otherwise, they would have simply said, we don't want to hear the case, it's settled law. So the fact that they have said they will hear indicates they will probably change the law in this case.
Dr. Hart reiterates that the state elections office cannot certify election results until the Supreme Court rules. The Office of Elections and the defendants named will have 3 days from Friday to provide the information requested by the court.